Hey, Basenji, what you up to, buddy? Just laying around on the couch? Yeah? Aw. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say hi. Look at those ears. Say hi, Basenji. See, he's waving with his ears. How cool is that? Boop. How about you, Zulu? You gonna say hi? Yeah? What? You gonna say hi too? What are we doing? We're going in circles. What are we doing? Oh, you don't know? Okay. There we go. Jump up here. Oh, all right. Hi, Zulu. Yeah. Everybody wants to say hi to Zulu too. It's Thursday. It's after work. It's after dinner time. It's after walk time. Finally had a chance to pull the camera out here so we could say hi to the pups. What's up, dog? Oh, no, not yet. Not yet. She's still on her way. She's not here yet. Yeah, you knew who they're waiting for. I don't want to say the M word because they will probably run to the door. But anyway, just checking in with everybody today. Hope you all are having a wonderful day today. Whatever day it happens to be when you're watching this. This is on a Thursday. I've been trying to do one video every day this week, and so far I've been successful. One more to go after today, right, Zulu? All right. Today's is just focusing on their beautiful faces and those beautiful eyes. Zulu. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Okay, gonna move back over here to Basenji now. Ready? He hasn't moved a bit. Basenji, what's going on, buddy? What? You gotta say something, bud. Talk to us. Talk to us. Talk to us with those eyes or something. Come on, you know you can. I'm gonna get that paw. I'm gonna get that paw. Aww. So beautiful. So beautiful, Basenji. Yeah, he says, I know. I'm a handsome guy. Right? Yeah, look at how expressive the eyes are. Watch this. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Let's see how she reacts. Zulu. Kitty, kitty. Oh, how about squirrel? No. How about, well, I don't know what else to say. I know that if I say the M word, they'll react, so let's do this. Ready? Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Yeah, so you're looking toward the door. I knew it! She's not home yet, guys. I'm not trying to tease you or anything, but that's what happens, though. Not yet, guys. Come here. Not yet. It's okay. They're very reactive to the M word, right? Hey, curly tail. It's okay. She'll be home soon. All right, well, we're gonna put a pin in it on this Thursday. Thanks for joining us once again. We appreciate you watching our videos. Right, Zulu? Yeah. All right, back to the couch they go. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like what you see here with these beautiful Basenji faces, we would appreciate your subscription too. Have a great day, everybody.